Hello, friends, welcome back. In the series of exploring world best university for Indian medical aspirants, ITCS International Training and Consulting Services presents Petrozavske State University. This university is located at Petrozavske, part of northern zone of Russia. It's a capital place of Republic of Karelia. In this audio video presentation, I will start with my first topic, why ITCS is introducing Petrozavske State University for Indian students. First of all, we'll talk about the ranking. Ranking factors, as you know, generally decides the capability, facilities and demand of the university across the globe and country. When we talk about ranking of Petrozavske State University, this comes under rank 1 for the Baltic region. This comes under rank 10 under the Russian Federation for the medical school department. It comes under rank 15 under the Russian Federation General University ranking. It comes under rank of 151 to 200 under the QS World Ranking, BRICS and EECA. It is one of the top university. It comes under the QS World Ranking with reference to above metrics 2100 to 2300. Overall, it's a top ranked global university. Now, many have questions that why till date Indian students are not studying under this university. As you know, the decision came to take Indian students under this university only after the BRICS 2020 conference. Here, government official decided to give the chances of more English speakers, and as you know, under BRICS country, India is in the top of English speakers. It's a good chance for Indian to get opportunity with this top ranked university. So we can say that this is a good chance for Indian students that we are able to get chance to study under this particular university that decided after the BRICS 2020 conference. Quality of education under Russian Federation is proved by the world demands of the Sputnik V COVID-19 vaccine. Under the Russian Federation, most of the top universities are equipped with the best medical infrastructure, best lab facility, latest equipment and technology, top class European study pattern, and that's the reason they are able to perform under the world's platform. So without any second thought, you can choose this university for the top quality of education and medical training. Russia is a developed country and famous for no corruption across the country, which makes their country's citizen more disciplined, punctual and responsible towards their duties. It is good for us, easy to work and settle. So Russia is a favorite destination for Indian from long times. When we talk about geographical conditions, geographical location of this city, Petrozavske, as you know, Europe's best decorated and smart city is St. Petersburg, which is just 300 to 320 km far away from this place. Petrozavodsk is sharing border with the Finland, European Union. Here, most of the professors or working professionals are providing their services belongs to Europe. This place have highest English speakers. They follow European culture. They are very calm, sensitive and responsive towards their duty. Overall, which is best for our Indian students in all terms. It's a government state recognized university by the Ministry of Science and Higher Education of the Russian Federation. As you know, Petrozavodsk is a government university. This university is listed under World Directory of Medical School, that is under the WHO. It's a budget friendly university for Indian students. It's a myth that many students and parents think that if the fee of the university is low, it means university is not good. It may be true in terms of non-developed or developing country, but it is not at all true for the developed nation. For developed countries like Russia, if the fee structure is low, it means that government is bearing some part of our study cost. Same like in India, those are qualified and getting the government colleges, they are paying minimum fees. It's a good chance for Indian student to get the seat under the best university in a low budget. And of course, once the demand will increase, once lots of students will start coming under this university from across the globe, they will definitely increase the fee also. After 3-4 years, definitely the cost is going to be high. Just take example, when we started working with Baskir State Medical University in year of 2016, the fee was just 1.5 lakhs rubles per annum. In 2017, it is revised and it become 2 lakhs rubles per year. In 2018, the same is again revised and it becomes 2.5 lakhs rubles per year. And in the current scenario, it is approximately 3 lakhs per year. So you can see in the 4 year, the fee structure just became double. It's a good chance for the Indian students, those wants to study into the world top university in a low budget, because your fee is not going to increase if you are taking admission into this particular year. Now we'll continue in our presentation with the accreditations and affiliations of the university. As you know, it's a flagship university. It is recognized by the MCI, or we can say NMC, recognized by ECFMG, Educational Commission for Foreign Medical Graduates. It has European accreditations. It has FAMR accreditations, WFME, World Federation for Medical Education accreditations, WHO, World Health Organization accreditations, European Union accreditations, National Information Center. So overall we can say the degree obtained from this university is valid across the globe. Under this particular presentations, I am going to show more about the university introduction, why choose Petrozavodsk, will justify with the points, and further will show also authorized Indian representative and the detailed fees. Petrozavodsk State University is one of the oldest university among the Russian Federation. It is established in 1940 under the Baltic region. It has more than 819 teachers and professors. This university trained till now more than 75,000 specialists. It's a great achievement for any university. This university has very huge campus, but it is splitted under different academic buildings. It has 18 academic buildings. All are situated in the city center of Petrozavodsk. 11 dormitories, accommodation facilities, we can say 89 laboratories for different departments. This university comes under the top 30 best universities of the Russian Federation according to the 2021 Russian Federation survey. Now it comes under top 15 university. Once we check about the approvals and accreditations, we can say this university has globes all the approvals basically required, like MCI, NMC, ECFMG, GMC, which we have already seen in our previous slides, EA, European accreditations, World Federation for Medical Education accreditations, WHO, FAMR, all the accreditations we have. After collecting the degree, after achieving the degree from this university, the students can write the further residency related or postgraduate exams like USMLE for the USA. They can write P-Lab exam for UK and other residency related exam for different countries. They can write. Cost of living is extremely low in Russia as compared to the other any European countries. Here living cost approx comes 100 USD to 150 USD per month. In this particular amount, basically you can live a very good life here. MBBS fees also low. Here we have zero transportation cost because university campus is closer to all the academic buildings. Their dormitories and all the facilities are very nearby. Russia offers subarctic weather conditions. Therefore, Indian students studying MBBS in Russia are very happily staying with warm-hearted local people. Overall, we can say it is one of the greatest destinations for Indian students. Now, we talk why choose Petrozavodsk State University. It's a young and educated city. Educational Institute of Petrozavodsk State University are in the top rating of the most recognized educational institute in Russia. This university has 92 international agreements with foreign universities, research organizations, and scientific and production companies of Finland, Canada, USA, the Great Britain, and Italy. You can understand the university is connected with across the globe with the industry level, with the research and development level. It's also called as the flagship university of the Republic of Karelia. Republic of Karelia, if you go into the Google and check the history, earlier it was the part of the Europe. After the Second World War, actually it is gifted to the Russia. You can check the entire history over there. So here the culture, everything is as like European standard grading systems we have in education. Already discussed, there is no any corruption. When we talk about the medical study, generally across the globe, the entire human body is divided into 19 subjects. And again, country to country, based on their education system, they are dividing into the grading system. To complete the medical education, the student has to achieve total of 360 credit. Out of that, every year 60 credits study they have to complete. So it's a total 6 years of curriculum. So for everything we have a grading over there. punctuality, attendance, assignments, your activeness inside the classroom, tests, seminars, presentation, all such things plays very important role into the entire study system. It's not like only the theoretical part you have to study and finally you have to write the exam. So it's a very helpful, basically we can say, European based grading system. World class infrastructure, as already told, it's a flagship university, and through the video presentations I'll also show you the different facilities what we have inside the university. This university has the simulation lab. This university have the departments for every section of the medicine. I'll show you all the latest equipments, technology which they are basically using inside this university. It's a public, it's a government university, and very important, as already discussed, it's very near to Finland, that is Europe border. Excellent quality of education with classes conducted in 100% English medium. The Petrozavodsk State University fee structure is quite economical and affordable for the international students and precisely for Indian students. Petrozavodsk State University, one of the top class MBBS college under the Russian Federation. So we have so many things that will make us to choose this particular university. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the detailed fee structure for the 6th year for medical study in English medium with Petrozavodsk State University. You can see here it's clearly mentioned the first year the total package is $5,500. This $5,500 basically includes university tuition fee, hostels fee, and all the services which requires in Russia, like local police registration, visa extension, pickup from the university, nearby airport to the initial days hotel accommodation, initial days outside hotel, flat accommodation, food cost, complete medical checkup cost, medical insurance, library registration, practical session, sanitary book registration, local SIM card, opening bank account in Russia, registration of Indian students in the nearest Indian embassy or consulate, notarized translation in Russian of documents, equivalency certificate from the Russian ministry, local city tours, as well as immigration clearance at the airport. These entire things will covered in $5,500. Means for the first year you need to pay only $5,500. From the second year onwards, university tuition fee $3,000, which is approximately 2,25,000 rubles. Hostel fees approximately 15 to 16,000 rubles, and other charges like visa extensions and all, like 1,500 to 2,500. In between that it will vary. So I have taken in the maximum and I capped it, like from the second year to 6th year you require $3,250 per year. So if you will add this together, you will find the total package for this particular university is coming approximately 21,750 USD. When you multiply this particular number into Indian currency, approximately you will get it 16.5 lakhs, the complete university package. Definitely you might thinking what other cost we have. Apart from that, those students wants to take the Indian mass facility, they have to pay additional $120 per month, and if they will do the self cooking, they can use the complete month in 5,000 to 6,000 rubles only. There is no any transportation cost in this particular university because entire facilities are very nearby, so easily by walking distance can reach from hostel to university buildings and all. Okay, so overall if you see, it's a very good option for the Indian students within like 20 lakhs of budget, can complete the whole 6 years of the course. Now, as I already explained, these all are the services basically required one student landed into the foreign country. So everything will be covered under the first year package itself. You should not pay any additional apart from this. Russian education. As you know, Russia is the favorite destination basically for Indian students for the medical. The reason behind is that among the developed nations in the world, Russia stands out in being a highly educated country with a majority of its residents holding a university degree. The rich tradition of Russian educational institutions provides their students with excellent studying and living conditions. It is a heaven for international students as each year Russia takes in students from over 170 countries across the world. The main attraction for Indian student to study in Russia is first is the cost and second is the India-Russia relation. So that once Indians are landing into this country, they are feeling just like they are in their home. Very very beautiful people over there. They used to take care in every respect. They are very helpful basically for the Indians. Why to study in Russia? We have multiple points, but we have highlighted few only over here, like European Union standard education system. Completely follows as like European standard education system in low cost. If anybody wishes to study in the European Union country, minimum study cost will be 10,000 euro per year, approximately 9 to 10 lakhs rupees. So you can understand how we can save money over here, and moreover the living cost in Russia is very less as compared to the European country. The degree which you are getting from this particular university is valid across the globe. That is one of the major benefits we have to study in Russia. Most trusted and oldest destination for Indian students. If you'll check the Indian doctors, you'll find approximately 5 to 10% doctors who are working in India as in today's days. They have completed their graduation degree, bachelor MBBS degree from Russia. So from the 1970s onwards, our peoples used to go to this country for studying MBBS. So it's a trusted and oldest destination for Indian students. These are few clicks this recently we did with this particular university. It is just to show you that we have done our official tour and we have gone through the each department. We have discussed everywhere. We found it is very relevant for the Indian students, and then only we are bringing this in front of our parents and students. Those are actually ambitious to become a doctor. So it's a very excellent tour, we can say. Very nice people. They have given very good response, and finally after checking this all, we are bringing this Petrozavodsk State University in front of you all. These are our few departure clicks which we have did this year. So many students we have sent to the Russia, we have sent for the Ukraine, we have sent for the Europe, basically Poland, for Mauritius, multiple countries. So that are the few clicks which we have, and we are the official representative for the India, basically for the South India zone. As we have met with Marina Madam, she is the Vice Rector of International Affairs of Petrozavodsk State University. We discussed in detail each topics, and finally we have decided to work for this particular university. Being a education consultant, being a recruiter for this particular university, our major responsibility is to shortlist the student, shortlist basically good students, and those can in future become a very good doctor from here. And those are very keen to follow the rules and regulations of the Russian nation. For them, basically, it is a heaven place, and 101% they can become a very good doctor. These are our web presence from here. You can check our web links, and you can check our authenticity, whatever you required. Our office, we have offices in Russia, we have offices in Ukraine. You can check this all for your references. Thank you, and shortly I'm going to bring the next video that will describe the university in like facilities, university simulation center, students hostel facility, hospitals, and other academic blocks. So it will give you more confidence after checking this and all. Thank you and take care.